Assalamualaikum and very good evening. Thank you to respected panel. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Megat Kamal Zaman, 4th-year student, Faculty of Manufacturing Engineering. Today, I will present my final year project entitled Fatigue Analysis of a T6 Heat Treatment Thixoformed Aluminum Carbon Nanotube Composite. According to Byron Pipes, Executive Director of the Composite Manufacturing Simulator Center at the Indiana Manufacturing Institute, we must turn the technology development time faster if we are going to meet the demands of our population for products with a high percentage of composite content. This proves that the demands of aluminum carbon nanotube composite are also highly demanded by the industries, which is resulting the aluminum carbon nanotube composites nowadays have been widely by researchers all around the world in order to cope the demand. In 1970, semi-solid metal has been introduced in order to process between solid and liquid phase. Thixoforming is one of method other than real casting which have been introduced. Despite of having high demand, it's very important to analyze the fatigue performance of aluminum's alloy with the normal T6 heat treatment for cast A356 alloy, with which generally require about 8 hours. Okay. For the problem statement, the catalyst of this study is being conducted is because about 75% of engine cylinder heats, 85% of intake manifold, 40% of chassis application in powertrains, and 100% of piston are using aluminum casting processing. However, for demands in automotive industry, it is hard to achieve the minimum fracture elongation of 15% by die casting. And there are several processing methods such as ball milling and spark plasma sintering have been conducted, but still less previous research about incorporation of carbon nanotubes with aluminum metal matrix by using semi-solid processing been carried out. Okay, there are two main reasons why this study have been carried out. First is to investigate the fatigue performance in Thixoformed aluminum carbon nanotube composite. Second, to analyze the effect of T6 heat treatment on aluminum carbon nanotube composite of microstructure integrity and fatigue performance. Scope of project. The study is limited to the scope of the project, whereby it is limited to 4 components, which are material, process, heat treatment, and machine. There are 2 materials being used in this study, which is aluminum alloy, or to be precise, A356 alloy, and carbon nanotube composite. The composite are going through to the thixoforming process by way of mechanical stirring method, and later the A356 undergone 3-6 heat treatment process. The study involved 2 machines in major, which are T3080KHZ machine for thixoforming process and axial torsion servo hydraulic Shimazu machine for fatigue testing. Looking forward to chapter 2, the study could not be complete without referring to the previous study and research conducted by the other experts. You can see in the first column research done from J.R. Davis article published in 2001. The article discussed about aluminum and aluminum alloy. Next, Shashi Prakash and friends. The article established in 2014 discussing about A35C aluminum alloy and application on it. Next, the article from Rajashri published in 2002 discussing about carbon nanotube and its application. Continue next is Malthius 2010 discussing about introduction to carbon nanotube. We continue with article from M. Muhammad uh, published in 2014 discussing about an overview of semi-solid metal processing. Many other researchers such as Hussein, Ximping Lu, and Samrudi Rao. All these three previous studies referred in order to complete this research regarding the isoforming method part of this study. Okay, this is our methodology flow chart. Firstly, we must identify our material, which is A356 and carbon nanotube. And then we will design the experiment to identify the process of this experiment. And then both of the material will mixing by using mechanical stirring method. And then the next process is permanent mold casting. After that, the process is thixoforming. After thixoforming process, there will be several specimen. First specimen will test microstructure investigation by using optical microscopy and scanning electron microscopy. And then the specimen will be test the fatigue performance by using axial torsion servo hydraulic Shimatsu machine. The first specimen will do without T6 heat treatment. Another specimen will be do the same step with T6 heat treatment. So as a conclusion, there will be two results that will be compared. This is our testing machine that will be used. Uh, so that's all from me. Thank you.